Hi everyone, this is Harsha from Lemplates. In this video, I'm going to compare checklist.com and Lemplates. But specifically checklist.com, strict checklist execution, and Lemplates is flexible SOP workflows. So we look at rigidity and adaptability. So let's first get into checklist.com. Let's open checklist.com and here now I'll name it and the checklist as an client onboarding checklist. Let me click on this, create a checklist, client onboarding checklist. Let me keep the name as this, folder, manage folders. Okay, now I'll add the name again like client onboarding checklist. Client onboarding checklist, that's perfect. Let me create one, and now I'll add the task like mm, receive client details, then add one more like add on, I'll add this perfect. Like now I'll add on one more task like send welcome email, send welcome email. This was also added. Now I'll add one more like create project folder. Done. Now I'll add the final one like assign team. Now we can set due dates here. Then we can also click on this subtask also we can do, that's not an issue, and create on this again we can get it done as well. I can also set the task color, assigned by due date, and assign priorities, add reminders, and we can also use the templates, duplicate checklist, and share it with the team as well. Now here are the key parts, like each task must be checked off manually. We have to click on this and then make it done, like step 1 take, step 2 take, step 3 trick. The system ensures nothing is skipped. The same process every time. This is exactly what checklists are designed for, consistency and enforcement. What's happening here? So, in checklist.com, a task by task execution tool and focused on repeating the same processes again and again. So, it is built to avoid mistakes, but you're logged into fixed steps, linear flow, tick based completion, as we can see here. And now let's go to templates and do the same execution there. Let me click on templates, open templates, go to new template, start from scratch. Let me name it as client onboarding process. Client onboarding checklist process. Let me add a step over here. Now the steps will be like step title. Let me keep it as the step like receive client details. The same thing. Client, and we can also add here like instructions like let me add the other two steps like And now let me send welcome email. I'll add here like send welcome email. Then I can also like make it bold. This we can now save this. You can also adjust steps anytime, add, remove steps based on the situation, focus on the clarity, not ticking, as we have seen in the checklist app. So, key comparison is the execution style, tick based completion in check system in the checklist.com, but in templates, step based understanding. Checklist enforces, but templates guides. Flexibility. Checklist is fixed structure, templates is adaptable workflow. And when it comes to speed, checklist fast for repeating tasks, but templates is better for evolving processes. And final takeaway. So here is the simple takeaway. Use checklist.com when you need strict execution, nothing can be missed. Process must be identical every time, but use templates when your process changes. You need clarity over rigidity. Your team needs guidance, not just checkboxes. So, if your goal is to strict compliance, checklist tool works well, but for real world SOPs that evolve with your team, templates gives you more flexibility. So, if you want to see the approach in full, templates is linked below. Thanks for watching.